How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Ryan from Investing Simple, and in this video today we're going to be talking about whether or not the commission-free trading app known as M1 Finance has a free stock promotion. And the short answer here, guys, is unfortunately M1 Finance does not have a free stock or free bonus promotion available to my viewers. Now, that being said, M1 Finance does have a built-in referral program. So if you have a friend who already uses M1 Finance, they can invite you to use the app via their link. And when they do that, you both earn a free $10 credit. That being said, we do have an affiliate link for M1 Finance if you want to support the channel. It's just unfortunate that there is no free bonus associated with using that link. Now, that being said, if you are looking for some free stock promotions that are going on right now, you can get one completely free stock with Robinhood just for opening up an account, and Webull also offers two completely free stocks, one for opening the account and one for funding it with $100 or more, and we'll include those links down below if you're just looking to get some completely free stocks. Now, if you're looking for the most updated information about the M1 Finance free promotions, this is going to be found over on our blog. The best way to find this article is to Google M1 Finance free stock and click on the Investing Simple link. If M1 Finance ever changes this promotion, we will be sure to update our blog article so you guys are aware of whatever incentives are available. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. If you would like to sign up for M1 Finance and use our link, you're more than welcome to down below. We also have links to Robinhood and Webull if you want to grab a couple of free stocks in the process. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications, and we hope to see you in the next one.